Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make Oreo Milk Maggi. This is a very delicious breakfast recipe that you can enjoy in any time of your day. This is very easy and an instant recipe, so let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Today I have a pack of Maggi. Add the Maggi cake to a pan. We won't be using the Maggi taste maker that comes along with the Maggi pack in this recipe. Now to this add 1.5 cups of boiled and cooled milk. I have a pack of Oreo biscuit. Crumble them and keep it ready. Add the crumbled Oreo biscuit to the Maggi. Start to mix well. Cook for 2 minutes in medium flame. In few seconds the Maggi will start to cook. Continue to mix well. After 1 minute the Oreo is well dissolved in the milk and it's nice and creamy. Continue to cook for 1 more minute. It's been 2 minutes, the Maggi is well cooked in the creamy Oreo sauce, so off the flame. Now our delicious creamy Oreo Milk Maggi is ready. Serve it nice and hot with some ice cream and enjoy with your family and friends. Very easy, delicious and an instant recipe, so do try this Oreo Milk Maggi recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.